fun and learn.
Doctor, when I eat food, where does it go? Does it just vanish in my tummy?
Vanish? Oh no. Your tummy isn't a magic trick, it's a food factory. Let's learn how it really works through a song.
I took a bite of food today. Shoot it up, hooray, hooray. My teeth break food into small bits. With help from saliva, it all fits. Chomp, chomp, chew, chew. That's what my mouth loves to do. Down it slides, smooth and fast. Through the esophagus at last. Welcome to the stomach, bubbly and round. Juices mix food, swirling around. It turns to mush called chime, you see. Ready for more biology. Stretch and twist, long and thin. The small intestine takes it all in. Nutrients go, zoom, zoom, zoom. To every cell, make energy bloom. Now the leftovers take the ride through the large intestine, side by side. Water's taken back, that's neat. What's left behind, just waste complete. From bite to belly, it's quite a quest. Each part helps to do its best. Mouth to stomach, then intestines too. That's digestion, all thanks to you. So next time you eat, remember this rhyme. Your body's working hard every time.
Wow, my tummy's a superhero. It works harder than me on homework.